Okay, thanks for that, Cara. Hello everyone. I'd say good morning, but I'm sure we're all on different time zones. As you can probably guess from my accent, I'm in the UK. I'm English, so based in the UK. So hopefully everyone can understand what I'm saying and can hear through my accent. This presentation I'm going to go through today, I gave last year at the IBM Innovate conference, and it's really about says Visteon electronics and our experience with deploying Rational Team Concert in the organisation. Just quickly, I'm just going to cover a little bit about me, just so you know. I think you've got my say anyway. I'll talk a little bit about Visteon. I don't want to give too much, but there is some reasons for that. I'm not trying to sell Visteon's products, but just to give you a bit of insight to that. Talk about our previous state, what we were doing, our selection process and how we chose RTC and the kind of process we went through. Go through some of the deployment, some of the challenges, and then some of the benefits. And if I've got time at the end, I can give you a bit of an update. This all happened, I guess, 2010, 2012 kind of time frame. So we've kind of had it established now in the company for a couple of years, and we are starting to move on from where we were. So. Yeah, who am I? So as Cara said, I've got a bachelor's degree. I'm actually an electronics engineer, so I'm not a software engineer or computer scientist. And my background's electronics, and I drifted into embedded software design probably about 20 years ago, and I've been in software design ever since. Very much, I'm in Visteon. For those not aware, Visteon was born out of Ford Motor Company in 2000 with a component supplier. We're the components division of Ford Motor Company, and we were spun off as a separate entity. I'm what is called a technical delivery manager, so at the moment I'm responsible for delivering projects. Specifically, I'm responsible for the software teams as part of our product development. And at the time that I did this, I was the lead for our sort of global configuration management and tooling team. So we had a team globally that was looking at configuration management tools, and I led that team. So that's me. Just to tell you a little bit about Visteon, and I'll just give you the reasons why I want to tell you about the company. When we were looking at RTC as an organisation, we spoke to several companies. We looked at several tool vendors, and they introduced us to several of their clients to discuss the tools and how they were using it. And one of the things that we found was we spoke to some fairly large companies, or representatives from fairly large companies, but what we found in some cases is that the tool weren't deployed globally. They were used by a small group of people maybe in a single office, or just a small group somewhere. And it didn't really give us an idea of how it scaled globally. So when we rolled out RTC at Visteon, this was across the whole organisation. Previously we were on ClearCase and ClearQuest, and we moved to RTC, and this was across the whole organisation, so this wasn't one office, one area. So just a little bit about us. These slides, as I said, unfortunately a little bit out of date because we've changed. We've acquired another electronics organisation, automotive. Since this was put together, we acquired JCI Electronics last year, so the number's actually a little bit low. So I think at the moment where it says 24,000, we're actually up at around 30 to 35,000.